Okay, everyone, when you visit my house, never ever play with my light switches. And never ever play with my fixtures. So if you are coming into my house, do not do this. Unless you are asked, or if you are going to the bathroom and need to turn the light on or off. But if it's not for those reasons, leave these things alone. Or else you will be banned from my house. I mean it. Also, never go up to my lights and take the bulbs out of them. Never take the globe off of them. Never unscrew them off the ceiling. With the ceiling fan, never change the speed or the direction on them. Never unscrew it and take it off the ceiling. With the lamps, never take the bulb out of them, never take the lampshade out of them, and never play with the switch. Also, another thing you should never ever do in my house is you should never ever tamper with my fire alarm. If I have the fire alarm on the wall or on the ceiling, never get my screwdriver out and never unscrew my alarm and take it off the wall or the ceiling. That is not appropriate. If you tamper with this thing, then you are going to get in big trouble. You are going to get fined and you are going to get arrested. So you leave this thing alone. Bye.